Next problem. A triangle of area 24 square units is formed by a straight line and the coordinate axis. Right. So here coordinate axis and one more straight line. The area of this triangle is given 24 square units. Then find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of straight line if it passes through a point P of 3, 4. Right. So solution is equation of AB is in intercept form, right? X by A plus Y by B is equals to 1. See, and given equation 1 passes through the point P of 3, 4, which means this equation satisfies this point. That implies 3 by A plus 4 by B is equals to 1. So write down any one of them, either B or A value from here. We got 4 by B is equals to 1 minus 3 by A. That implies 4 by B is equals to LCM is A minus 3. Clear? That implies B value is equals to this one, 4A by A minus 3. B value is 4A by A minus 3. See, area of the triangle, since given area of triangle OAB is 24 square units. Right? That is half mod AB is equals to is given 24. That implies as B value is a 4A by A minus 3. Substitute here. So mod AB value we can write to 48. That implies A into mod of A into B value is a 4A by A minus 3 is equals to 48. Simplify this. 4A square is equals to 48 of A minus 3, right? 48 of A minus 3 and 4 12 of 48. That is A square is equals to 12 of A minus 3. That implies A square minus 12A plus 36 is equals to 0 is the line equation. Is the equation. On simplifying it, you get A value. That is, this one can be written as A minus 6 whole square is equals to 0, which implies A minus 6 is equals to 0 twice. That is, A is equals to 6. Substitute in equation 2, we get B value. So B is equals to 4 of 6 by 6 minus 3. That is equals to 24 by 3. That is 8. Therefore, A is equals to 6, comma B is equals to 8. Substitute in equation 1. That is, equation 1 implies x by 6 plus y by 8 is equals to 1 is the required line equation. It is enough, or you can write it in ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 form also. So for that, 24 is LCM. Here 4x plus here 3y is equals to 1. That implies 4x plus 3y is equals to 24. That is minus 24 is equals to 0. It is enough, or you can write this one also. Clear? Next problem. A straight line with slope 1 passes through Q of minus 3, 5. This one, this line equation. And the slope of this line equation is 1, and which passes through Q of minus 3, 5. And meets the straight line x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. This line equation. This line meets this line equation at a point P. Then find the distance PQ. Solution is, given slope is equals to 1, that is m is equals to 1. What is the formula for m? Tan theta, right? So tan theta is equals to 1. That implies tan theta is equals to tan 45. Then theta is equals to 45. So the angle of this line equation is 45 degrees. See, the line passes through q of minus 3 comma 5. So coordinates of PR, formula is x1 plus r cos theta, comma y1 plus r sin theta, right? That implies P is equals to the coordinates of PR x1 minus 3 plus r value, write down r only, cos theta, cos 45, right? Comma y1 5 plus r sin 45, that is equals to minus 3 plus r by root 2, because cos 45 is 1 by root 2, comma 5 plus r by root 2. This is the coordinates of P. See, P is a point on the line x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0, which means this line equation passes through this point. So this point satisfies this line equation. Substitute here x, that is minus 3 plus r by root 2 plus y plus 5 plus r by root 2 minus 6 is equals to 0. On simplifying this, we get r value here, that is, see, minus 9 plus 5 is a 4, r by root 2, r by root 2. 2r by root 2 is equals to minus 4, right? That implies this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 gets cancelled, or we can write 2r is equals to minus 4 root 2 by 2. Sorry, r is equals to then 2. That implies r is equals to minus 2 root 2. This one is the r value, minus 2 root 2. Sorry, here a minus is bigger than an RHS plus. So r value is 2 root 2. Therefore, P is equals to, P coordinates are, substitute here, minus 3 plus 2 root 2 by root 2, comma 5 plus 2 root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled here also. Minus 3 plus 2, comma 5 plus 2 is nothing but minus 1, comma 7. So P point is minus 1, comma 7, comma Q point is minus 3, comma 5, right? Then PQ distance is, distance PQ is equals to 2 root 2, right? This one, this distance r value, this one is a r. So PQ distance is 2 root 2. Clear? Next problem. Find the set of values of A if the points 1, 2, 3, 4 lie to the same side of the straight line 3x minus 5y plus a is equals to 0. See, this one is x-axis and this one is a y-axis. Any straight line equation, 3x minus 5y plus a is equals to 0. Here, these 2 points are lie same side of the line equation, means here, this one A and this one B, right? Now, here we have to find the set of values of A from this line equation. See, solution, given points are, or we can treat it as P comma Q. P of 1, 2, Q of 3, 4. See, equation of line is 3x minus 5y plus a is equals to 0. See, find out the L11 and L22 because the same side is given. So L11 is equals to, substitute first point here, 3 of 1 minus 5 of 2 plus a, right? What is that value? A minus 7, right? This one 3, this one 10. 3 minus 10, minus 7. And L22 is equals to 3 of 3 minus 5 of 4 plus a, that is equals to 9 minus 20, 11, right? So that is a minus 11. This one L11 and L22. Since given 1, 2, 3, 4 lie same side to the line. same side to the line, which means L11 and L22 have same signs, right? Have same signs, which means both are positive or both are negative. Case 1, a minus 7 is positive, comma, a minus 11 is positive. Clear? A minus 7 is positive and a minus 11 is positive. It can be written as a greater than 7, comma, a greater than 11. Yes. Find the set of points here. Suppose this one is origin, this one 0, 1, 2, this one 7, this one 8, up to so on, this one 11. Right? A greater than 7 means a values are greater than 7 from here. Clear? And a values are greater than 11 means here. So what is the common intersection from this one? A greater than 11 is the intersection of common point from both the conditions, right? Or it also can be written as a belongs to 11 comma infinity. From 11 to infinity here includes. Case 2, both are negative, right? So a minus 7 less than 0 and a minus 11 less than 0, which implies a less than 7, comma, a less than 11, right? Suppose here 7 and here 11, here 0 and here minus infinity values. First one is a less than 7, means from here. Second one is these values. So what is the common intersection point? A less than 7 is the intersection point from both. Or it also can be written as a belongs to minus infinity comma 7. Clear? See, this one is OR condition. OR means union, right? OR means union. So we have to write all the values. Therefore, a belongs to minus infinity to 7, union 11 to infinity. These are the set of points which satisfies this line equation with these 2 points have the same sides of the line. Clear? Next problem. Determine whether or not the 4 straight lines with these line equations are concurrent. So we have to find these 4 lines are concurrent or not, which means these all line equations are passes through the same point or not, we have to find. Right? So for that, first I am finding the point of intersection of any 2 of these all line equations. Clear? So for that, solution. Given line equations are x plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0, and 4x plus 5y minus 6 is equals to 0. These are the 4 line equations. See, here I am solving 1 and 2 for the point of intersection. The point of intersection of 1 and 2 is, I am solving by this method, x, y, 1, then y coefficient, start with y coefficient, 2, minus 3, 1 and 2, second equation, 4, minus 7, 3 and 4. So that implies x by minus 14, minus into minus plus 12 is equals to y by minus 9, minus into minus plus 7 is equals to 1 by 4 minus 6. So that implies x is equals to, this one is a minus 2 by minus 2, comma, y is equals to minus 2 by minus 2. So that implies x comma y values are 1 comma 1 is the point of intersection of 1 and 2. Right? See, while substituting this point in third and fourth equations, if this point satisfies third and fourth equations, then we can say that these four lines are concurrent. If any one of them are not satisfies, then we can't say these 4 lines are concurrent, right? Substitute 1 comma 1 in equation 3. In equation 3, then LHS is equals to 2 of x value is 1 plus 3 of y value is 1 minus 4. That is 2 plus 3 minus 4 is 1, right? Is not equals to RHS, because RHS value is 0. But we got 0. Therefore, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 are not concurrent lines. Clear? In this manner, you can find all the line equations which are given line equations are concurrent or not. Next problem. If 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equals to 0, then show that the equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 represent a family of concurrent lines, and find the point of concurrency. Solution. To find the point of concurrency, we have to convert this line equation in the form of this line equation, right? So given equation is 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equals to 0. Here c coefficient is 1, right? So we convert it as this one. That is, divide entire equation with 4. 3a by 4 plus 2b by 4 plus 4c by 4 is equals to 0. That implies 3 by 4 of a plus this one 1 by 2 of b plus c is equals to 0. Clear? See, for all values of a comma b comma c or a comma b, the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 passes through. See, compare these two line equations, CC, BB and AA. So x is equals to 3 by 4 and y is equals to 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. The equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines depending on a and b values. Whatever it may be the a and b values, we get all line equations are concurrent. Therefore, point of concurrency is 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Next problem. If non-zero numbers a comma b comma c are in harmonic progression, then show that the line equation x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c is equals to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines, and find the point of concurrency. Solutions. Given that a comma b comma c are not equals to 0 are in harmonic progression. Yes, what is the harmonic progression condition? 2 by b is equals to 1 by a plus 1 by c. Again, we have to convert this equation in the form of this one. Means 1 by a into x plus 1 by b into y plus 1 by c. So 1 by c as it is there. So we can write it as 1 by a plus minus 2 by b plus 1 by c is equals to 0. So it also can be written as 1 by a into 1 plus 1 by b into minus 2 plus 1 by c is equals to 0. Is the same as 1 by a into x, 1 by b into y plus 1 by c is equals to 0, right? Therefore, for all values of a comma b comma c, the equation x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c is equals to 0 represents a line passing through the point, yes, what point? 1 comma minus 2. Clear? Therefore, the equation x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c is equals to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines. right? And the point of concurrency is 1 comma minus 2. Clear? Next problem, find the point on the straight line 3x plus y plus 4 is equals to 0, which is equidistant from the points minus 5 comma 6 comma 3 comma 2. These are the 2 points. So I am finding another point P on the straight line 3x plus y plus 4 is equals to 0, which are equidistant from the points A and B. So PA is equals to PB. The distance PA is equals to the distance of PB. Solution, P of x1 comma y1 is the point on 3x plus y plus 4 is equals to 0 line, which implies this point satisfies this line equation, that is 3x1 plus y1 plus 4 is equals to 0. Line equation 1. Given that condition is PA is equals to PB, because from the point P, A and B are at a equidistance, that is PA is equals to PB. It also can be written as PA square is equals to PB square. That is, see, this one is a P x1 comma y1 and this one x2 comma y2 for PA, and for PB x1 comma y1, this one x2 comma y2. The distance of PA formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 6, or we can write x1, first this one, x1 minus of minus plus. So x1 plus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 6 whole square, right, is equals to PB square. x1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. On simplifying it, we get two line equations. They are x1 square plus 25 plus 10x1 plus y1 square plus 36 minus 12y1 is equals to x1 square plus 9 minus 6x1 plus y1 square plus 4 minus 4y1. x1 square y1 square, x1 square y1 square gets cancelled, right? So it can be written as 10x1, or we can write it as 10x1 minus 6x1, 16x1, right? I'm bringing total to left side. Next, y1 values are minus 12 plus 4, that is minus 8, right? Minus 8y1. Constants, 25 plus 36, that is a 61, and a 13, that is 48, is equals to 0. It also can be written as 8 common from all, 2x1 minus y1 plus 6 is equals to 0. This one is second line equation, and the first line equation is 3x1 plus y1 plus 4 is equals to 0 is a first line equation. On solving these two line equations, you get x1 and y1 values. See, y1 gets cancelled here. I am adding both the line equations. 1 plus 2, y1 gets cancelled. Here 5x1 plus 10 is equals to 0. Then x1 is equals to minus 2. Substitute in any one. I am substituting in 2. That is 2 of minus 2 minus y1 plus 6 is equals to 0. Here minus 4 plus 6 is equals to y1. Then y1 is equals to 2. Therefore, the P coordinates are minus 2 comma 2. Clear? Next problem. A straight line through P of 3 comma 4 makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. Suppose this one is x-axis and this one y-axis. Suppose this one is 60 degrees angle. Find the coordinates of the point on the line which are at 5 units away from P. So we have to find the Q values here. This point we have to find, and which are at a distance of 5 units. Maybe this side or maybe this side that lies Q point. So for that solution, coordinates of any point on the line Q are x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. That is equals C, and given x1 comma y1 is equals to 3 comma 4 comma theta is equals to 60 degrees. Clear? Then Q values are x1 3 plus r into cos theta cos 60 comma y1 4 plus r into sin 60. That implies Q is equals to 3 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2, that is r by 2 comma 4 plus sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, that is root 3 into r by 2. These are the Q coordinates. Case 1, if r is equals to 5, equidistance 5 units away means plus 5 or minus 5, whatever it may be. If r is equals to 5, then the coordinates of Q is equals to 3 plus 5 by 2 comma 4 plus root 3 into 5 by 2, that is equals to 3 plus 5, 2 is LCM, 6 plus 5 11, that is 11 by 2 comma here 2 LCM 8 plus 5 root 3 by 2. And case 2, r is equals to minus 5. Then coordinates of Q are 3 minus 5 by 2 comma 4 minus root 3 into 5 by 2. On solving this, LCM is 2, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 5 1 by 2 comma 8 minus 5 root 3 by 2. Therefore the coordinates of Q are 11 by 2 comma 8 plus 5 root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 comma 8 minus 5 root 3 by 2. See, a straight line through Q of root 3 comma 2 makes an angle pi by 6. A straight line equation PQ which passes through root 3 comma 2 and makes an angle pi by 6 with the positive direction of the x-axis. If the straight line, another straight line, intersects the line root 3x minus y 4y plus 8 is equals to 0 at a point P, then we have to find the distance of PQ. So for that, first we have to find the coordinates of P here. Clear? See, solution. AB and PQ are not perpendicular. AB and PQ are not perpendicular. So we have to follow the first method only. That is, PQ makes an angle pi by 6 with the positive direction. Of x-axis. So M is equals to slope of PQ, that is equals to tan pi by 6, that is tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. So the slope of this line is 1 by root 3 and which passes through Q of root 3 comma 2 and with the slope M. We know that the straight line equation in point slope form, point is a root 3 comma 2 comma slope is 1 by root 3 form is y minus y1 is equals to m into 1 by root 3 into x minus x1. Clear? So simplify it, you get root 3 of y minus 2 is equals to 1 of x minus root 3. So this one root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equals to x minus root 3. So finally the line equation is x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 minus root 3, that is only plus root 3, is equals to 0. Is a PQ line equation. Is a PQ line equation. This one is equation number 2. And given AB line equation is AB line equation is root 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0, right? So from this we can write it as root 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 8. Clear? This one is equation number 2 suppose. Here we have to find x and y values. Clear? So for that, see, we have to multiply equation 1 with root 3. Equation 1 with root 3. So we get root 3x minus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. Right? And the second line equation is this one, this total second. Root 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. Minus plus minus. Root 3x gets cancelled. Here only y minus 5 is equals to 0, which means y value is equals to 5. Y value is equals to 5 we get here. Substitute in any one of them. Substitute in 1, we get x value, that is x is equals to root 3y minus root 3, that is root 3 into y value is a 5 minus root 3, that is 4 root 3, right? Therefore p coordinates are p of x1 x comma y is equals to x is a 4 root 3 comma y 5. Clear? Now distance of PQ. Distance of PQ is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute all the values. This one x1 y1 and the q coordinates are x2 y2. So substitute here 4 root 3 minus root 3 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square, that is equals to 4 root 3 minus root 3 means 3 root 3, 3 root 3 whole square, that is a 9 into 3 plus 5 minus 2, 3, 9, that is 27 plus 9, 36, right? Therefore PQ is equals to 6 units. So this distance of PQ is a 6 units here. Clear?